Well, now, are there any Sharia rulings or laws concerning someone with Down syndrome, the relations between them and others?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. You know, as with Down syndrome, whether he must he make salah, it's a question. All depends how far is his Down syndrome sickness. Whether he is now by means to understand and to be responsible. If not, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes him from the obligation from him to make salah and do. For us to be with him, it's important. You know, Zainab, one of the best things, you will find in every masjid one of these children, and they are the blessing of the community. لولا شيوخ الركع والأطفال ربع والبهائم رتع لسببت عليكم العذاب صبا. If it wasn't for the old people that's walking hunchback, or if it wasn't for the children that grows up, if it wasn't for the animals that wet animals, Allah say, if it wasn't for them, Allah would have sent his azab long ago. These children, these Down syndrome children, is the means and the ways that Allah uses and send down his mercy on the community. And when they are at the masjid, it's to them that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send the barakah and the rahmah down to those who are attending the masjid with these Down syndrome children.